EOS is a 3D industrial printer manufacturer. We build metal and polymer printers globally. It's everything from defense to space to automotive. We're in racing, running shoes to certain medical applications. It's really neat. It's really limitless. My name is Brandon Arena, and I'm the IT manager for EOS North America. Project management skills are very important. We're into a lot of projects that work between both shores.
I was project managing already, but I was looking for more tools and techniques to add on in my skill set. And then I saw UT Austin as offering, it was offering the course, and I looked and I really liked it. And then I forwarded to my manager, and even he said, like, yes, there's a good approach to start with.
So I usually allocate a certain amount of dollars for training, extra training. This was one of them, and it was qualified that I thought that would be an excellent add to the business and get value out of it, and it worked.
That is a skill, and it's not one that you're necessarily going to develop just by trial and error. And so there's a curriculum around this. There are actual certifications associated with project management, and going through that curriculum can really provide a set of skills that is extraordinarily valuable to organizations.
The first project I worked on related to this course, I completed that on time, on schedule, and handled a big team. And it has been recognized by my CFO, and they provided me a cash reward for that.
You know, one of the key assets that she's been able to become is getting things done early.
After completion of this course, this add-ons and people start taking me seriously, that I know the stuff and I know about project management.
It's a cost that is worth the investment every time. She's just kind of running with it now, and so it's kind of nice to have somebody like that. You know, I'm a little spoiled.